Improviser in the house. And when improviser in the house, you know it's no Mickey Mouse. Who is the boss? I am the boss. And I am here to lick off. So let's get it on. Yes, greetings to everyone back in the Love Kitchen. Don't forget, no chicken. I will freeze down some ripe banana for later. For fruit punch, another bunch. Now I said I'm going to show you sometime. I will tell you sometime. So I will fry up some of the special. It roll up. Skull and Stockholm. Well, what will I do? I will pinch them out like glue. No money too. And demonstration in Stockholm nation. Yes, I. Press it down. Roll it around and lick it off. Use the balls. Yes, I said sometime I will show you it. Because it's, you know what I mean? It's just not one thing. You know, to follow me is a ding-a-ling. You know, just to make it up nice like sugar and spice. Fry it up before it gets corrupt. It looking brown up. Maybe done in Stockholm tongue. Bring it up before you get corrupt. Turn it around. Take it out. You want to shout? You might be drinking Guinness and stout. Take your time. Don't wine and dine. Use the improviser. You want to get them wiser. Oh God, I love it, I love it, I love it. They're gonna take that one off. Yes, take your time. You know, in the kitchen, as I said, I do more than one thing, I do all kind of thing. I can't remember what I do, but in the meanwhile, you will see. Put on some more. That is a school. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like more 5, 6. Picks. I love it. Oh, yo. Now, in the meanwhile, that fry up is done up. I will make a seasoning. That is my best reasoning. And what I will do, I want to freeze down in Stockholm tongue. Once I'm in Stockholm tongue, I must freeze down. Don't be a clown. I love it. Stay around. I love it. Yeah, carrots fresh. You know, like I have addiction for greenness. Eyes green and gold. Skull. I'm making a pepper sauce. Not a pepper sauce. Come to me. I'm the boss. A seasoning. Time for the reasoning. And I go freeze down. So when I make the pepper sauce, come to me, man. Not the pepper sauce. I'm the boss. I love it. Seasoning. Eyes green and gold. You see what I mean? Skull. I had only green. So it's like, it smelled like mandarin. So I decided to go and get a yellow and a red, eyes green and gold. Skull and Stockholm. And then I'll get some olive oil and a little, vinegar. We call it apple vinegar. Smelling nice here. And then here we'll freeze it down. Where? In Stockholm town. Don't be a clown. And you see them there? I got 3 different things there. I get carrots, I get not spinach, celeries, and another one where I will forget, I will tell you later. That could be even greater. Put it in the blender. Put it in the blender. You know what, yeah? Don't cover it yet. Look at the bad boy there. I cut up the pepper, the sweet pepper. I like color. Too much of green. You go feel like a mandarin. A green mandarin. Too much green. So put in some yellow and some red. Eyes green and gold. What is that? Wow. It's green. Bring it up before you get curled. Take a peep. Be discreet though. Take a peep, you see? But you see a little color there? Yeah, man. nice. Oh, yo, yo. This is good thing that. And just roll it up that, a little slide it. Oh, that's good. And because I was freezing on greenness and peace, so I will make a fresh boy. But of course, I got some freeze down in the pot there with some addicted to peas again, beans boy. You know what I mean? And I will put some celery, some persilia, and so, oh God, what is it? Oh God, I forgot the thing, oh God. Coriander. Oh, open the door. I love it. I do. And of course, okra. Oh, okra. I got a big boy there, they call it the cousin of a zucchini. I love, hey, countryman, bring some more of that, that. Oh, yo, what is that? I love all that. And today again, I have some, a little salmon again, but we are going to season the bad boy this time with some coriander, some olive oil, some limes, you see there? And then because of the fresh seasoning, better reasoning for slapping some in it. Put in all that, fresh like a fresh fish in the sea. You want to hear? If you care, you must hear. Put a little olive oil. Take your time, no wine and dine. Put it in, brown it up. It too green up and yellow up and red up. So brown it up. Hey, put more green. Okra. Greeting to my brother in Grenada called okra. Put in some red boy, tomato. I have a brother, he just go plenty okra, but he doesn't eat it. Can't believe it. Stir it up. Stir it up. You go done soon. Hey, what's that? Put a little water. Stir it up now, man. Cover it. Oh, I must put some sweet potato. Oh, it's done. It's your tell you it's done in Stockholm. I love it, my dear people. If you smell it, see, I love it. What's that there? Oh, okay. Always make sure you wash the blender immediately. I got that blender there is for blending fruit punch, and the next one is for blending the reasoning. Yes, the party just began. Show me who is the boss and just lick it off. Skål from Stockholm, not Rome. The wiser improviser always say to get your wiser. A God.